It's now on. This is the spout. Close it. That's the shower. It's hot. It's hot. How many degrees now? It's 59. As you can see. So we are going to control to open to the fullest for water supply outside, so that it can give us the pressure we want. So let me close it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like our content so that we can bring more content to you in terms of construction. Any type of construction we do, that's what we do. Guys, this morning. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. I'm the guy who was doing this. Thank you guys, thank you guys, thank you guys, thank you guys. Subscribe and watch our channel. Subscribe and watch our channel. We shall bring more content for you to watch and learn.